How do we draw a QM pattern? All we need is a low, a high, a lower low, and a higher high. So this is already an indication that price is leaving a downtrend into an uptrend because of this change of character at this point here. So obviously we're going to be looking for a buy because we are on the uptrend now, but we're not just going to take from here. We are going to wait for price to get to a zone. So I'm going to mark out the zone now. And what do we call that zone? That is our QM zone. So basically we're going to mark it from this low right here. We're going to see a wick. If it's a normal chart, a wick is going to be here. You mark it all the way to below the wick, then drag it to the other side. So this is our first marking, indicating that we are about to take a buy from that our point of interest, which is this blue box right here. So at this point, we're going to wait for the market to do a pullback into this our point of interest, which is our QM box right here. So what we want to do is take our entry from this box right here, put our stop loss below this low, and I'll take profits above this higher high. So it's going to be something like this, the sniper entry at this point, our stop loss below this low right here, take profits above this high. This is going to give you a high RR when you're trading. So I'm going to show you guys a real chart example now on how this QM pattern works. So firstly, this was a trade I shared on my Telegram channel. So just going to draw the box right here. So this was my QM box, which is the box we are waiting for market to tap into before we take our buys. Price was on a downtrend, yeah, obviously making lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, price got to this QM box, reversed to the upside, then came back down to the downside, which is indicating that we're still on a downtrend. Went back up to give us a change of character at this point, indicating an uptrend. Yeah, we're gonna use this indicating an uptrend. So we're not just gonna take our buy from here. We'll have to wait for a confirmation, which is a pullback into this QM box. Then we take our buy from here. My take profit was at this level above this high right here. So this is how the QM pattern works. Stop loss below this, take profits above this high right here. So yeah,